And great, done. The third deal also went great. An interesting twist, the deal closed at 0. Hey guys, today I decided to use an old strategy that I forgot about for some reason. But it turned out that it still works great and allowed me to earn $1,200 in just one trading session. The strategy will be super simple, great even for beginners, and really works. Everything is clear. I trade, you watch. Every step, every deal is right in front of you. If you like this format, check out my Telegram. There I share my deals in real time. Well, let's go. I start trading with a deposit of $10,525. For each transaction, I set a risk of $350, a comfortable amount for me to both earn and not burn out. I work with an expiration of 1 minute and I take a time frame of 30 seconds. Because this is excellent dynamics, I quickly see the result and I don't get tired of waiting. So now we move on to setting up the tools. I choose 2 indicators. The first is momentum. I set the period to 9. I have not used it for a long time and now its time has come. It helps to understand where the market is over here and where on the contrary it freezes before a breakthrough. The second indicator is donchian channel with a period of 15. This is my benchmark for finding key support and resistance levels. These 2 indicators give a clear picture of where the price is now and what to expect from it. Everything is ready, so let's go look for the first entry point. The first trade is a sell. The price hit the upper donchian border and failed to break through it. This is a direct signal. You can catch a correction. Judging by the chart, the nearest support is not that far away, so it is logical to expect a downward movement. Plus, momentum shows that we are above the 100 zone. This is another hint that it is time to let off steam and roll back. I go for a sell and wait for confirmation of the movement. Yes, the first profit of $651 is fixed. The price worked beautifully and reached the middle line of donchian, and this is the level where a reversal or slowdown often occurs. I see that the market can go up, but for now I'm just happy with the first plus. Looking for a new deal. I see an interesting opportunity and enter a bullish trade. The trend is upwards, which means I'm going in its direction. There were signs of correction. The price dropped a little and improved the local support zone. Momentum dropped below 100, which indicates possible oversold. I see how last time we got well up from this zone. And in addition, the touch of the lower donchian border is visible again. Historically, there are often rebounds from it. And now the picture is repeating itself. It is even noticeable that the market reacts more strongly to the lower border of the channel than to the upper one. Another plus in favor of long. I open a trade waiting for an upward movement. And great! The second deal also closed with a profit of $644. Everything is according to plan. The strategy works. Let's move on. We are looking for the next entry. And if you want to not only watch but also repeat my steps and earn with me, here is what you need to do. Follow the link under the video and register. Be sure to enter my promo code. It is on the screen and in the description. When replenishing from $100, you immediately receive a plus 50% bonus to your account. These are your additional funds for trading. Important, the bonus only works with my link, so do not miss the moment. And after registration, be sure to open the Telegram using the link in the description, click the Write to Me button and simply write, "I want access to a closed channel." I will answer you personally, tell you everything in more detail, and add you to our team. In a private channel, I show trades in real time, give clear signals, and share working ideas every day. Over the past few days, I have posted 23 signals, of which 18 gave profit. So let's trade together and move towards stable profit. Perhaps it is worth opening a long here. Globally, the trend is still upward, and this always adds confidence. I enter after the correction when the price went slightly below the local support and even touched the lower border of donchian. Reversals often occur at such points. They are like a springboard for growth. I expect that the price can reach at least the middle line of the channel. In any case, I do everything according to the trend, and this is always more reliable than catching reversals. The main thing is to enter not on emotions, but on signals. So I'm waiting for confirmation. Done. The third deal also went great. The profit of $658 is fixed. The mood is high, which means we need to find another good entry point. I continue trading and see an interesting moment. The price slightly broke the support zone downwards, but apparently this may be a false exit. This happens, the knockout stops, catch emotions, and then the price sharply reverses. Touching the lower border of donchian, plus according to momentum, we went under the 100 zone. Everything indicates oversold. I open a deal to increase. I expect a return higher and a good impulse upwards. Let's see how this deal closes. So far, everything looks logical. An interesting twist, the deal closed at zero. This happens rarely. It's not scary. It's as if the market gave a second chance, and it's good that the deal didn't go into the red. So I'm looking for a new opportunity. Here it is, the next entry point. I open a short because the price again approached the upper border of donchian, but could not break through it. We got a rebound. This is a signal that a correction is now likely, and we can reach at least the middle line. Momentum shows that the price has already gone up well, and there is room to move down. Historically, there was often a reaction at these levels. And now I see how the market is starting to correct. So everything is going according to the script. I'm locking in another profit. Agreed and do the session. I earned $1,200 during this trading session. Yes, one trade went into break-even, but the rest were clearly in the plus. This is all according to my strategy, simple, clear, and working. Here, all the power is in discipline and in not rushing around, but squeezing the maximum out of one strategy, which is what I managed to do today. If this approach resonates with you, welcome to my Telegram link under the video. Click on Telegram, press Write to Me and send a message. I want access to a closed channel. And that's it. We are in touch. In the channel, I share trades, analytics, and my thoughts on the markets every day. Everything is honest without embellishment. More than 100 traders are already trading with me and making a profit. And if you just want to watch, take a look at my free channel. There is also a lot of useful information there. And in order not to miss something important, like, subscribe, and go to my next video. See you very soon.